Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Fragile X syndrome. Fragile X syndrome presents with large head, that is macrocephaly, and trinucleotide repeat disorder. Fragile X syndrome is an X-linked inheritance, especially it is an X-linked dominant inheritance with reduced preference or reduced penetrance. Fragile X syndrome is the second most common cause of intellectual disability, and it is the most common inherited cause of intellectual disability. Fragile X syndrome is the most common cause of Down syndrome. Usually, this is not inherited. Fragile X syndrome commonly leads to autism. Characteristic facial appearances of Fragile X syndrome include long face and large prominent ears. Fragile X syndrome in males show macroorchidism.
thank you and thank you for watching.